how to replace your Flipbook without changing its link. Did you spot a small typo in your Flipbook or need to update its content, but don't want to change the link you've already shared? Good news! With Publuu, you can easily replace your Flipbook's PDF without touching the link. First, sign into your Publuu account and find the Flipbook you want to update. You can quickly locate it using the search bar. Just type its name and it'll appear in the list. Next, select Replace. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Click Yes, Replace it to confirm. Select the file you want to upload to replace the original PDF. It will be uploaded shortly. And that's it. Your Flipbook is replaced. The link you've already shared stays exactly the same. Your clients or readers can open the same URL and instantly access your updated version. A quick tip: if your new PDF has the same number of pages, all your interactive elements, like hotspots or links, will stay where they are. But if you add or remove pages, you may need to adjust them to match the new layout. Thanks for watching. Want to explore more? Check out our full help guide at publuu.com.